our pride. So cleanliness should be accepted nationwide. With these words, a very warm and pleasant good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear brothers and sisters. This is Siddhi Rai from 9th standard and I am going to express my views on the topic Role of Students in Clean India. We all are aware about the diseases and health problems associated with garbage and a dirty environment. And cleanliness is the only way to keep all the diseases away. Our government is trying to solve the problem by launching various programs such as Swachh Bharat Mission, Namami Gange program, National River Conservation Plan, etc. Some of the plans are successful while some are failing due to lack of active participation of youths. We, as a responsible citizen of India, have certain responsibilities regarding making our country a clean India. And the most important role in it is that of students. Students are the future of the country. They are the ones who are going to play a vital role in nation building. Students who are so energetic, enthusiastic and dedicated towards their aim can definitely do excellent in making the surrounding areas clean. The best way to begin this cleanliness activity is that from our home. At home, we can help our mother in properly putting the garbage instead of throwing it here and there. In school also, we have to take care of maintaining a clean class and school so that we can get a healthy environment. We, the students, can also contribute in cleaning India by participating in various programs, speeches and making people aware about the need to make India a clean India. We, the students, can also contribute in cleaning India by sharing some of the ways to the people in which we can cure the problem. Hope all the students will take their responsibilities. Now, I would like to ask a question from all. Does making a clean India only means that we have to clean the waste from the land? And the answer is definitely no. Because making a clean India doesn't only mean that we should clean our surroundings, clean the waste from the land, but also means we should clean our thoughts, clean our ideas and throw away the waste and negative ideas from our mind. Our India will really become a clean India if we remove waste from the land, the corruption from the country and the waste negative ideas from each and every Indian's mind. Now, I would like to end up my speech with the use of few lines. The clean person is not the one who always runs away from the dirt. The clean person is not the one who always runs away from the dirt, but the one who takes time and effort to tidy up our waste environment. Thank you so much.